Hi everyone, I'm currently in Singapore supporting a few clients out here, and we'll be back in the office mid-September. In the meantime though, you will see somewhere that we have crossed 3,000 subscribers. Now, I made the deal that if we got past 3,000, that we would run some free training courses. So my idea here is that we will create a 5-day weld inspection training program. This will center around the big weld inspection courses that you know. Each day will follow all of the topics with our own slant to it, with all of the sort of extra training material that you expect from us. We will come up with free training questions and everything like that, which will be available for download along with all of the videos if you can't make the live streams. But I'm thinking like a week of live streams, 5 days, all of the content, meet exactly what you guys need it to do. So all I'm asking here is that if you're interested in this, that you drop a like on this video so we get some feedback about the pull and what people want to see. But if it's something you'd like to do, like I say, completely free, we will not ask for anything. You can just join the live streams and ask your questions as we go through the topics. We will publish an agenda so you can see what will be covered on each day, but like I say, you'll be able to catch it up on the videos afterwards. So if, like I say, this is something you want, hit like, help move the engagement, and that keeps our videos going and getting seen by more people. Remember, 3,000 subscribers, but over 80% of the people regularly consuming our content are not subscribed. So if you're one of those people, hit subscribe, come and join us for some live streams, and we will get this sorted and up and running.